Figure 19.19, SortedSetTest.java. In this example, we're going to take a look at the SortedSet interface, which is a sub-interface of set that also allows you to process a sorted set of values, in other words, maintaining them in sorted order. And an implementation of the SortedSet interface is the TreeSet class. So there's actually a couple of different ways to maintain and manipulate sets in the Java collections framework. Now in this sorted set test, once again we start with a string array called names and a bunch of values in that array. It is a set that we'll be manipulating, so we're still going to maintain a unique set of values. There will be no duplicates. However, in this case, because it's going to be implemented as a tree set, the underlying data structure is going to maintain a binary search tree representation of the set of data, and in the binary search tree it will automatically order those nodes in a way that allows them to be pulled off in sorted order, which is one of the requirements for a binary search tree. So let's take a look once again at main, where we simply create a new object of our class, SortedSetTest. Then back up in the constructor, we create a sorted set variable for a sorted set of strings called tree, and we assign it a new tree set of strings, which is going to automatically maintain the strings in sorted order. And we're going to initialize that tree set with a list view of our array of strings called names. We then print out the sorted set by calling our printSet method and giving it our tree variable. If you look at printSet, you can see that it receives a sorted set variable, and again, anything that is a sorted set could be used by this function. We then use an enhanced for loop to walk through the set of values and output each value followed by a space. Back up in the, actually, you know what, let's run the program now so we can see that they are in fact in sorted order. So here is the sorted set of strings, and if you compare those strings to the original strings in the array at the top of our class, you'll be able to see that none of the, there are no duplicate values in the sorted set. Okay, now let's continue in our constructor. So the next thing that we do is print out that we would like to see the head set for the string orange. Now the head set is an interesting concept. What that means is I'd like to see everything in the binary tree, the binary search tree, that has a value less than orange. And this actually gives me back a set that I can then, sorted set, excuse me, that I can then print out. So anything in the tree that's less than orange will be output by printSet in this case. Well, if you take a look at the head set for orange, you'll see that that includes the strings black, green, and gray. And if you look at the full set, you see black, green, and gray appear to the left of orange in the sorted list, the sorted set. Now, lines 27 and 28 do what we call a tail set. And the tail set method returns everything that's greater than or equal to the value in parentheses. So in this case, we'd like to see everything from orange and greater in the entire set. And in this case, if you look again, you can see orange through the end of the set and compare that to the full set to see that in fact we got the right results there. And then finally, you can also find out for a sorted set the first and last items in the set, that is the items with the smallest and largest values respectively. And in this case, that is going to be black for the first element and yellow for the last. And you can again compare those to the sorted set to see that we got the correct results.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than live lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.